welcome back to another vlog. So today is December 5, Saturday 2020. So we're going to the grocery store kasi wala na po kaming food supplies. So ngayon pa lang ulit kami nakabalik ng grocery since last month. Last month yung last na nag-grocery kami. So, pero hindi ko dadalhin yung camera ko. I'll just vlog using my phone. Or siguro hindi ako masyadong mag-vlog. Like, I will just open them here na lang sa house. Pero yeah, super simple lang ng outfit ko. Like, naka-shirt lang talaga and naka-pants. Hindi pa ako nakakaligo. Naka-mask din naman. So, hindi nila tayo makikilala. So, naka-mask, naka-face shield and everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye! Tadan! Unboxing. Gi-arrange. Sige, arrange na. Ito yung pinamili namin. Ang init sa labas, guys. Diba, Mino? Init ko, you. We have junk foods. Crispy pata. Miswa. Tapos soft flour tortillas. Gagawa ko ng shawarma for lumpia. Di na pa lumpia. It's a sauce, darling. Sauce. Oh. Tapos, nag-grocery na din kami for Christmas. Pang Christmas na Noche Buena kasi ayaw namin ng maraming tao. Hindi masyadong marami yung tao kanina, guys. Like, sakto lang. Anyway, so this is what we got from our grocery shopping. So, ano, si Tagalog, ano eh? Tinatanggal na ng maid namin.
Naparoon na ka?
Tinatanggal na ni Mami sa box. So, ito yung binili ko. Ayan, junk food, tapos maraming noodles. This is miswa. I love miswa. And then, a good life pansit. Ay, bihon eh. Bihon, dalawang bihon. Ayan. Tada! Tapos, junk foods. Ay! Ah! Then, pang macaroni at saka pang macaroni. Pang Noche Buena pala. Macaroni and spaghetti. Tapos, meron din kaming mga sauce dito, mga mayonnaise. Oh. Tapos, bechamel white sauce. Bechamel, I don't know. Coffee, we have coffee, a lot of noodles. We have chicken, pancit canton, beef, chicken, tsaka spicy. Ayan. Then, we also have big cheese, big cheesy, para sa spaghetti, macaroni, at tsaka sa shawarma. Gagawin ko tong shawarma. Gagawa kami ng shawarma. Then, for the frozen goods, meron tayong chicken, lumpia. Saan ba niya eh? Giniling! Okay, giniling. Tapos, beef tapa. Oh, para sa spaghetti daw. And then, we have ham. Oh, ito, chicken. Breast chicken. For, I don't know what it is. For fun. Good for mga pila din eh. Good for 1 month na to, guys. Since tatlo lang naman kami dito.
Very good.
We have ham. We have 2 hams here.
Ikaw mag-2 hams.
Ikaw may nag-cook ham.
Wala ko nag-ham, boy. Ikaw na kaya.
And then, we also have juice. Yung pineapple. Pineapple at saka orange juice na tang. Kasi ayaw nila ng Nesty, guys. So, ito yung kinuha natin. We also have Nor mushroom soup. Gikapoy yung habwa. Tapos, we also have conditioner from Cream Silk. Then, soap. We also have chicharon, guys. This is mine. Yay! Then, beef broth cubes. Dalawang beef broth cubes. Also, this one, sabor na chili mansi. Gusto ko to. And also, the French onion. Dip it good for the shawarma sauce. Meron din akong isang sauce. This is the spicy version. It's a cucumber dressing, spicy cheese. Kasi I love spicy, guys. Just in case you guys didn't know that. And we also have magic sarap. Good for 1 month. Kaya dalawa yung binili ko. Then, we also have this for macaroni. Nata de coco, green, and red. Para makulay ang buhay sa sinabawang gulay. Then we also have kamatis or tomato. And then lemon. Wala lang, lemon, cream. Tapos Nestle Greek yogurt. Para to sa shawarma sauce sana. Pero I think hindi na ako gagawa ng sauce kasi meron ako nabili na parang pre-made. So, yun. Then, bumili din kami ng mga delata, mga sardines, ganun. Tapos menudo, mga corned beef. Ito yung parati naming binibili na corned beef. Actually, hindi to yung pure foods pala. Pero gusto namin itong matry. El Rancho. And then, this one, my favorite. Wow, ulam, mechado. Menudo. Then, sardines. Favorite ni Mom. Gusto ko din to, fried sardines. Pero ayaw nila to, guys. Kasi hindi daw masarap. Next. Meron din kaming binili na parang spicy sardines. Pero, I think, dalawa lang. Kasi hindi sila mahilig sa spicy. Ako lang yung mahilig sa spicy dito. Yeah. Ayaw nila sa mga maaanghang. Next. We also have bahuan. 3 lang yung junk foods to dito, I think. Yeah, only 3. So, yun lang. Maliit lang talaga yung binili namin. Hindi masyadong marami. Parang boom pao. Meron pala ding hotdog dito. Hotdog cheese from Virginia. Regular hotdog, tsaka yung cheese. Tapos, longganisa, my favorite hotdog. Di ba yung hotdog? Pero, yeah, it's longganisa. Super good. Tapos, what else? I think that's it. Meron din kaming condensada for the macaroni and also pineapple chunks. Yeah. And then, for the dishes, Joy Lemon dishwashing liquid. Also, this one. Wala na kasi ako sabon. Naubos na yung sabon ko from Kevlo. So, ito yung binili ko. It's a Hygienics 99.99% germ kill soap. Coffee! Nabanggit ko na ba ito kanina? Pero bumili kami ng coffee. Hindi ako uminom ng coffee, pero sila yung may gusto nito. So, meron pa pala, guys. Rexona. Dove. Meron pang Dove. Asa man? Gluta. Meron din panty liners. This is from Teami. At saka Gluta C vitamin soap. And the Dove na what you call this? Deodorant. So yun lang. That's it for my grocery haul for today. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more.
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.